Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change your age on Instagram. Friends, to change your age or date of birth on Instagram is an easy process. So for this you have to open Instagram. After that you have to tap on here, my friends, at the bottom right corner, the profile picture. Then you'll find here triple state line at the top right corner. Then tap on account center, tap on personal details, tap on date of birth. Tap on edit option, my friends, here, and then tap on here, and easily you can scroll up or down to change your date of birth, my friends. The year here, and here is the month, and here is the date, right? So simply you can select, then tap on set after doing all the things, my friends, and within a minute your age or date of birth will be changed on Instagram. So friends, like this, if you want, you can change your age on Instagram. Friends, to change date of birth or age on Instagram, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.